Cuckoo.
In a sunny garden, warm and slow, two little friends began to grow. Potato slept in the soft brown ground. Tomato smiled, red and round. Potato said, I'm quiet and shy. I like the dirt where I can lie. Tomato laughed, I love the sun. Shining bright is so much fun. Morning came with golden light. Birds sang songs so sweet and light. Potato rolled and stretched his feet. Tomato danced to music beat. Rain went drip and rain went drop. Leaves went swish and puddles pop. Potato said, cool rain is nice. Tomato jumped once, twice, thrice. Worms said hello, bees flew by. Butterflies painted the sky. The garden felt happy and kind. Best little friends you'd ever find. Potato said, I make you strong. I give you energy all day long. Tomato said, I'm juicy and sweet. I make your food fresh and neat. They played a game of roll and run, laughing, having fun. Different colors, different ways, still best friends in sunny days. When the sun began to sleep, shadows grew and night was deep. Stars came out with twinkly light. Moon sang softly, sleep tight. Potato yawned, what a day. Tomato smiled, hip hip hooray. Dreams were bright and full of cheer, filled with love and friendship dear. One day they went to the kitchen fair. Cooking smells were everywhere. Mash went soft and sauce went red. Happy smiles were widely spread. Kids all clapped and shouted, yay! Potato and tomato saved the day. Different looks, but hearts the same. Friendship made them both a fame. So remember, children, big and small, being different is best of all. Like potato and tomato, true. Friends can shine in all